Meaning of exploiter.
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 Exploiter. The term exploiter refers to someone who takes advantage of a situation or another person for their own gain. It often involves using someone else's resources, such as time, money, or labor, without proper compensation or consideration. This behavior is unethical and can lead to the exploitation of vulnerable people or groups. The consequences of exploitation can be severe, including financial loss, emotional harm, and damage to relationships or reputation. It's important to recognize and address exploitative behavior in order to promote fairness and respect for others.